Hello everyone. So am I audible? So can someone unmute and speak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir, you are audible.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. So we'll start the course maybe in 1-2 minutes. I will let others join. All right.
Mm.
Before starting, I would just like to know what your background is or how your expertise is. So, if possible, can you scan this QR or go to this link and answer a few questions?
क्लास है मेरा बताया कैसे लेवल के देखने हाँ वैसे भी बोला हूँ कि सुबह और शाम सबसे सुंदर समय होता है दिन का उसको कमरे में बंद करके इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए इस आधे घंटे के लिए सुबह और शाम सबसे सुविधा होता है उसमें बाहर रहना चाहिए Thank you.
All right, so we have like more than almost 90% of students, and yeah, basic knowledge about any one of the programming language is very good. And so this is kind of sad, like only half of the students or half of the class has actually watched the videos. So in this 2 hour section, I don't know how much information I can provide about the whole lecture, whole 1 week lecture. So if you have already watched those lectures, it would have been helpful for to get the pace. And yeah, so I don't know how much knowledge and concepts I can provide. Let's see. So somebody has also said installing the software, and also I think that was clearly mentioned in the week 0 slide. So I hope those who have watched the lectures or those who have done the week 1 lectures must have installed the software and started working on it. So anyway, we'll just see how the software works, or we can also show how to install the software also. All right. Okay, so let's start then. Okay. So, do you have any questions, Rajiv and Danya? You guys have raised your hands. Okay, if you have any questions in between, you can just stop the lecture in between and you can ask. All right. And Haridas, you have any question? All right. So,
Hello.
Sir, please,
yeah,
please
tell me.
raise your voice, sir. Please raise your
Voice is not clear.
clear but not audible. Please raise the one.
Mm, 1 minute. Is it better now?
Okay, sir.
Or can someone else confirm if it's the problem with my mic, or is it the problem with the?
It's okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So yeah. All right. So before moving on to the Python or basics of Python, let's see what the main difference between data science or data analytics is. So in today's world, we see data science or AI in almost all areas of our life, starting from our mobiles to big infrastructures. Everything is influenced by AI. So data science as a whole often involves using data to build models that can predict future outcomes. So in today's world, because of the IoT devices or Internet of Things, many data are being collected or trillions of data is being generated. So we can use those data effectively to create or to make our models learn, or AI models to learn things and give future predictions or generations, like the generative AI. We know how the Gemini models create images, and all those are applications of data science. Then coming to data analytics is different from data science, and it tends to focus more on analyzing the past data. So it's kind of like we are using the data to come with some decisions or some conclusions. All right. So that is data science and data analytics. Now, what is the main difference between data science and artificial intelligence? Okay, so data science is about extracting valuable insights from data and using them to make informed decisions. But
हाँ फोन कर दूंगा
somebody is having questions. All right. Okay, then what about artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is like about creating intelligent systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. So artificial intelligence has been in our in and around us for a long time, right? So any system, like if it can make a decision, any computer that can make a decision can be called as an artificial intelligence system. So it can be hard coded, or in today's world, the machine learns things. So that's machine learning. Machine learning comes together. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, so if we have a simple program, like if our, let's say, take the example of Excel sheets. So in Excel sheets, we can write the codes like if something, let's say A is greater than B, then we can output something. So this is kind of a decision making thing. So if A is greater than B, then we have to output something. So it's also called artificial intelligence. Now, what is the difference between artificial, or the evolution of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? So as I already mentioned, artificial intelligence was a part of our life, or has been around us from 1950s onwards. Then it evolved, like that those times it was hard coded, or it can make decisions based on the code that we have already written. It was not able to learn anything. Now, coming to machine learning operates different paradigm where we are able to learn without being explicitly programmed. 1 minute, somebody. Okay, let me mute other participants. Okay. So machine learning comes to that stage of artificial intelligence where the machine learns from the data and make decisions. So we need not always give something to perform for the machine. So in the previous example, I said, like if A is greater than B, then we have to do something. So instead of that, we are giving the machine a lot of data, and the machine will learn itself to what to do. Now, deep learning. Deep learning is evolved by the introduction of deep neural networks. So this course is beyond the scope of discussing deep learning techniques and all. So I just wanted to show how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning have evolved. So now we are coming to our main topic, that is Python. So in this class, I intend to give introduction, and then we'll see the variables, data types, then also the assignment questions also I will discuss in the end. All right. So today we'll try to understand what Python is or where it is used, then learn what variables are, or understand the basic Python data types, or and also we'll try to write simple Python code in the end. So to give a theoretical explanation of what is Python. So Python is a high-level programming language. We have two types of programming languages. So one is low-level language, then other one is high-level language. 1 minute. So we have low level. Then we have high level. So what's the main difference between these two? So low level programming languages are very close to the hardware or minimal abstraction, and you have maximum control. So the languages like C, C++ are low level languages, and it's kind of like talking directly to the CPU or the memory. And those codes or those languages or the codes written in low level languages are very fast and efficient. But the problem is it is very hard to write. So it's very fast and efficient, and but it is very hard to write or to understand, write or read, or if
Sir,
you want. Yes.
so good evening. Sir, are you sharing your screen? I mean, it is not visible, so I was just asking.
um, I'm sharing, right? So is nobody
I
able
don't
to
know.
see
For
the
some
screen?
reason, sir, I am not able to see, so I was just inquiring.
Sir, it is
Sir,
visible.
your screen is visible.
Okay,
Sir, your
so
screen is visible.
It's visible,
who
sir.
are having the
Screen is
problem, can you?
visible, sir.
Okay, sir, I will log out once and join back. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Yeah, that will be good. Okay. So yeah, so low level language, it's hard to write code, or if you have some errors, it will be very hard to debug the code. So the advantages are it's extremely.
Sir, you are not
Your
audible.
mic is muted yourself.
Kiss off.
You
So please unmute your mic.
sir, you muted yourself.
Okay, fine. Is it okay now?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what was the last thing you heard?
Yes, sir.
Hard to write and read.
You are
This is
talking
trying to
about
debug.
debug.
Hard to read and write.
Okay, fine. So I was saying the low level languages were hard to read, write, or if you have any errors, it will be hard to debug also. Now, some advantages are it's extremely fast and we have the full control. So these languages are used for operating system coding, or to code the drivers of your system and all. But it's hard to learn, and it's kind of sometimes it is written for one hardware, or it is hardware dependent codes. So now coming to the high level language, that is Python is a high level language. So they are like so if you can say it's kind of like my English language, like if you can compare, like it's easy to understand, or if somebody knows, it's easy to understand. Any language is like that, but it's kind of like universally used English language. So we can say that Python is kind of like that. And so examples are Python, Java, then we have MATLAB code. Now the advantages are it's easy to learn and write, and the development is also faster, kind of like there are more communities who are contributing to the development of these codes. Then it is portable across platforms. But the problem is they are slow. When we execute a program in these high-level languages, they are very slow. Because the backend of these high-level languages will be the low-level languages. All right. So this Python or R is also used. One of the other languages highly used in data science is R. So either Python or R. If you learn Python or R, it's useful for data science or AI. Mainly, Python is better to learn. Okay. So why we are learning Python? So why we have to learn Python? So it's a beginner friendly. Sorry. So it's a beginner friendly language. Then, as I already told, there are large community support. So if you have any doubt in Python language, you can just copy the code, then use any AI model like ChatGPT or Gemini, anything, and you can get a perfect code from those AI models. Then we have a lot of library support in Python, and it's used highly in the industries and research. So if you want to upgrade yourself, or if you want to move to IT field or anything, learning Python, especially in today's time, is highly appreciated. I don't know how long the trend will go on, but still it's highly appreciated. Now, what is a variable? So a variable is something that stores information, and it has a name and a value. And one thing about this high-level languages is, so let's say we have a low-level language. So first, let's say this is a low-level language. So in low-level language, so if we have a variable named A, we want to introduce a variable named A. So we cannot directly put one value to the variable. So if I want to initiate a variable A, we cannot directly give one to that variable, because these variables are not in low level languages are not initiated. So first we have to, the type of the variable like integer A, first we have to introduce the variable, and then we can use the variable to assign the values. Whereas in case of Python, if you want to initiate a variable, you can just initiate a variable and give a value. When we give a value, the variable will, or the Python will decide what type of data the variable has been assigned, and that variable will be assigned that type. So let's say we have a lot of integer variable, or a float variable, or we have strings. Strings are used to store words, or strings are used to store sentences or characters. So if we initiate a variable like A is equal to 1, then it will automatically be an integer. Or if we initiate B is equal to 0.05, then it will automatically take the float type. Or if we take C is equal to Python, then it will automatically take the data type string. Whereas if you are using the low level language, if we had initiated in this equal to A, then we cannot give the value 0.5, which is a float value to the variable A. So one of the reason why Python is small is like slow is because of this on time variable prediction, or the assigning the data type. And there are some naming conventions for the variable. So one thing to remember is the variable names should not start with a number. So variable name cannot start with like 1A, this is not a standard way, or a variable cannot start in this way. Always the variable has to start with a letter or in a English character. Then it can follow number. Okay, so like A1, A2, or A_1, but A.1 is not valid. So there are some of these naming conventions to be followed. So if you have watched the lectures, you might have come across all these naming conventions and all those. Yeah, any question? All right. So any doubts so far, or shall we move? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what is difference between identifier and variables?
What?
What is difference between identifier and variables?
Identifier.
Yes, sir.
Can you just say what is identifier? What?
Sir, names
What?
which are given to the variables.
Okay. What is the difference between identifier
And variables.
There's no difference. Identifier is nothing but like I think identifier should be the name that we give to the variable or any function or any class or anything. Like if anything we have to identify, we need to give some name or something, right? So I think that is called as identifier.
Sir, anything user defined is an identifier, be it a class name, or might be a
Okay,
module
fine.
name or a variable name.
Oh, fine. Yeah, thank you for that. Okay, so I think identifier is something that we can define. So in Python, there are some rules or some values or some words which are specially dedicated to the Python. So like we cannot use for as a variable, because in many cases for comes in for loop and all, and there are some more like while or if, and or we cannot name a variable as class. Class is equal to something, or define is also we cannot use. All these are cannot be used as a identifier for any variable, because these are dedicated to some of the functions for the Python. Maybe I think I have answered the question. All right.
The variable can also be start with an uppercase, right?
Yeah, it can start with an uppercase, but usually what the convention is like, variables are not given uppercase letters because classes are given uppercase. Class names are started with an uppercase letter. So we have so classes, I don't know. So we will define classes like this. So usually class name starts with an uppercase letter. There is nothing wrong with starting a variable with uppercase letter, but the convention is we will be using class names to start with uppercase letter, and variables are usually started with lowercase letters.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
so
So we
yeah.
can lowercase letter we can't use the variable.
Yeah, you can use these. All are examples of variables. So age, name, height, all are the identifiers. I think we can call them as identifiers. All right, so moving on. So these are some of the rules for naming variables. Must start with a letter or an underscore.
Sir,
And we can,
hello.
yeah, please.
Your shared screen is not visible.
Oh,
It's visible.
hello.
Is visible.
Sir,
It's visible.
sir, it may It is be, visible, sir. sir, it may be network
sir.
Yes,
problem.
sir. It is visible.
I am only seeing you, not your laptop screen.
Similar issue. It was because I logged in through web browser. Later, I changed to
It was
Microsoft
visible.
Teams app, and it was resolved.
Oh, so everyone who has logged in through web browser is having the same issue?
No, sir, I can see.
No,
No,
sir,
sir. I
I
have
can
not
see.
seen.
It's
No,
visible.
sir,
Okay.
I can also see.
It's visible, sir.
Yeah.
I can
No,
see,
sir,
sir.
I
I
can
can
also
see, sir.
see.
I'm
Can see,
currently
sir.
on the web browser and I can't see.
Oh,
Sir, there may be
so
some network issues.
okay. So I hope my network is fine. So if somebody is
Yes,
having an
sir.
issue, you can rejoin, or else anyway I will upload this video in YouTube, so you can watch from there also. So yeah,
Sir, um,
yeah.
I want to ask, like, this is my first doubt solving session, and
Mm-hmm.
can you tell me a quick recap? So, what you have covered so far, like you are starting with the basics of Pythons,
Yeah,
so that's why I want to ask.
yeah. Like especially these sessions are for like clearing the doubts if you have any. So it will be good if you come after watching the videos. So that's why this is week one section, right? So this is kept after releasing after 1 week of releasing the lecture videos, I think. So if you watch those videos and try to solve the assignments and then come to attend the class, it will be very good, so that we can also, so if you have any doubts you can ask. So in these 2 hours, teaching the whole 1 week subject will be difficult, so
Yes.
mainly, yeah. So all right, so um, let's say, so must start with a, so some of the rules of for naming variables must start with a letter or underscore. Then it should not, it cannot start with a number. It should not it cannot start with a number. If you try to start a variable name with a letter, the Python will throw an error. Then it should be meaningful also, right? So like the code that you write is not just for you. So somebody else in your company who wants to review your code or see or read your code, it should be readable. So like if you are creating a database for the employees and you have created a variable name and assigned it some number, so let's say 25, then you have created another age, and here you have given some string variable, some name. So it's not right, so it's difficult to understand. And also if you give the proper variable names later on, also if you want to go back to your code after a long time, it will be very easy for you to start from where you have left. So while naming the variables, it should be meaningful as well. Now, what are data types? So data types is nothing but, so yeah. So what are the data types? So data types are nothing but the type um, of or the value that is stored in a variable. So Python supports multiple built-in data types. So for example, we have float variable, which is mainly used for, let's say, decimal or decimal. Somebody has shared his screen. I think my screen is gone, right?
Yes, sir, it is right.
Yes,
Your-
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Once again, share your screen, sir.
Yeah, I'll just share.
Sir, whether
Yeah.
like these interactive courses will be daily will be available, sir? Or when it is assigned, only when the assigned days it will be available, or daily it will be available, sir?
What this section?
Yes, sir. Like this is
This section I'll be taking only on Tuesday, 6 to 8. Then I think one more TA is there for the same course. I'm not very sure about his timing, but you might have received the mail, right?
yes, sir. For today's class, we have received the mail. For we will get day by day classes or how, sir?
No. Only weekly ones you will have. Only I will be taking only
Okay,
on
sir.
Tuesday. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, is it okay if I not attend classes like interactive session if I don't have any doubts? Is it mandatory to
Yeah.
attend
No,
these classes?
it's not at all mandatory. It's all your wish. It's okay if you
Okay.
can learn your own. It's fine.
Ah,
There is no
okay.
So like
compulsion.
every
Like
Tuesday
you
there will
like
be this class.
Uh, can you repeat?
So every Tuesday there will be this class.
Yeah, every Tuesday for next 4 weeks, starting from today. 4
Okay,
classes
so
I
sir,
like if we suppose if we have any doubt, we can attend these classes, right? Or else we can
Yeah.
study through
Yeah,
your
yeah,
videos which you are uploading on YouTube.
yeah. That's fine. Even you don't have to watch my videos. There are a lot of Python videos in YouTube that are
Ah,
available.
okay,
That
sir.
are
uh,
well
That's what I
structured.
need to. Thank you.
Yeah,
sir,
but
I have a
I'll be
query.
discussing the assignment also.
I registered for this particular course yesterday.
Mhm.
So I want to ask that which type of videos are you talking about? We have to
Sir, certificates.
Sir, you are mute, sir.
You are on mute,
You
sir.
have to unmute yourself.
We can't audible you, sir.
Somebody is muting me. I think I don't know who. All right. So yeah, now I think I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the
Your voice
Yes,
is
sir.
audible.
videos. All right. So the videos that I'm talking about is like the videos in the Swayam website itself is very good, well structured, and if you are looking to score good in the exams, you have to watch those videos because the questions will be based on those videos. So if you just want to have more idea about Python and learn a good programming or coding culture, then there are a lot of videos in the YouTube. That's what I have said. But
This video
but
is
if you want,
older
yeah, please.
up to 2020.
What?
All videos older.
I can't hear you.
sir, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah,
where
please.
can we find the proper syllabus of this course? Means it will be available on the SWAYAM portal.
Part of this course?
Syllabus, structure syllabus.
Syllabus.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Syllabus is on the website, right? I think there is.
Okay, sir.
All right. So we'll move on with the course because we
Sir,
have to
small
discuss the
doubt.
assignment questions also. Yeah, please. Yes, please ask.
Sir, after this session, we can find any video
What video?
of this whole session video. It is available.
Yeah, I will upload in couple of days in YouTube. Maybe, or yeah, I think the SWAM team will share it, the link, so you can ask them. All right.
So channel name, sir.
Channel name. I don't have that kind of channel and all. I'll update that in next class maybe. I don't know which channel they will give or. All right, I'll
Okay, sir.
provide that. Yeah, fine. So let's move on. So what are the data types? So first one is the numeric data types. Numeric types. So we can have x is equal to 10, which will be integer type. So whatever I am writing in here is the type of the data. Okay. So it is integer data type. So if you are saying x is equal to 10, then
Sir,
x will
please
be
explain the previous questions.
what? Hello? Okay. Then if we assign y is equal to something like 3.14, then it would be float data type. Then if we say z is equal to 2 plus I, so 2 plus 3j. So if you type something like this, then we will have complex data type. So these are the main three numeric data types that we have in Python. Then we have the text data type. Text data type is, so let's say if you say name is equal to Python. So for text data type, we have to always use this apostrophes or what you call, I don't know what is
String data type,
The
sir.
double quotes. The double
yeah.
quotes.
Okay.
Sir, you are in mute. Sir, you are in mute.
So can you please remove access to these students? They're creating nuisance for unnecessary reasons.
Not clear,
Sir, கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல explain கொடுங்க sir.
We can't hear any voice.
What? Hello?
No, we can.
Okay. So this is text data type or string data type. Then we can have, so let's say our variable is valid and we
Sir,
are
கொஞ்சம்
giving.
தமிழ் explain.
தமிழெல்லாம் கொஞ்சமா தெரியும் அண்ணா. அப்புறம் explain try
Sir, okay sir. Sir, okay sir.
Please try to understand. I'm
sir.
not
Explain
that
in English only. Explain in English only, sir.
Yeah,
Explain in
fine,
English
fine.
only.
Yeah, no language barrier, only
So,
English. Fine.
what was the data type you told after numeric?
So after numeric, so this is a string. Now this is the bool data type. Bool data type is nothing but it can take two values, true or false. So this is especially useful when we are having, so let's say if we want to do if loops. So let's say we define some variable, some a is equal to true. Then let's say if a, then do something. So in such cases, we can use the bool data type.
Bool means boolean, sir, right?
Yeah, boolean. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have a list. So let's go. So these are the four data types that I already. So here we have these four data types. Integer is whole numbers, float, decimal. Then we have complex also. Then a string. Then boolean. Okay. Now what else?
What is the, sir? I have one doubt. What is about complex data type?
Complex is complex numbers. So let's say 3 plus 2j. So this is the imaginary part of the number. 2j is the imaginary part of the number. then 3 is the real part. That is a complex. If you remember the complex numbers from +1, +2, then you might recollect what is a complex number. So it's not very common, or it's rarely used. Only if you are coding for some mathematical problems or something. So don't.
Sir, can possible
Sir,
complex number into float, convert into float?
No, you can do
Sir,
one
what
thing.
is primitive data type? Primitive data type.
What data type?
कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर तो फ्लोट में कन्वर्ट करना है ये बोल रहे थे.
So complex number we cannot directly convert to float. So what we can do is we can take the real part of the. So usually what we can do is, so let's say, so yeah.
Sir, can you please remove all the permissions? Somebody is removing me, sir.
What?
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
somebody is removing me.
Who?
I don't know, sir, but the screen is displaying someone has removed you from the meeting. Always. Like this 2 times it's shown.
I don't know who is having problem with others. Let me just try to.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please go on.
Sir, as this is my first session, I have a doubt in that this course is basically fully focused on Python language or the data science of the Python, sir.
So we will gradually go to data science applications, but in first few classes, I think it's just setting Python environment and basics of Python. In the first week at least, I know.
This is core of Python, right, sir?
Which one?
What you are teaching?
Yeah, this is very basics of Python.
Yeah, if we understand basic only, then only we can move to data science.
So if somebody is expert or having some basics, then these few classes will be a repetition for them.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Somebody is always removing me from this meeting, sir. Up to 3 times they removed me.
Oh. Even I am not able to remove participants.
Can you please disable every permission?
Brother, this is means we are not allowed to remove anyone's. I can check the now only.
Even I cannot remove anyone. I'm
Yeah.
seeing that. So maybe.
But someone is removing me, sir.
I think if your network will not be stable, then you will remove automatically.
Yeah, that can be an issue.
Sir, my network is very fast, up to 45 kilobytes per second.
It's all right. Okay, so we will move on with the class. Maybe we can discuss all these things later. Please
Okay,
don't
sir.
remove anyone from the class, please. Okay. So
disable every. Sir, one doubt है.
Yeah, please.
सर बोले डाटा एनालिटिक्स और डाटा साइंस में क्या डिफरेंस है?
किसमें?
डाटा एनालिटिक्स होता है ना सर, और डाटा साइंस सब्जेक्ट है.
तो डाटा एनालिटिक्स में क्या होता है? We will try to learn, analyze the data, analyzing the data to see something like what can I say? So let's say, so if a cricket match is happening, we will analyze the data, right? The pitch and all. So that can be called as data analysis. And for data science, let's say, for the next match, how somebody can perform. So predicting the future, like from the past performances. That can be called as data science. I don't know if you are very clear.
हमने दोनों कोर्स में इनरोल किया है सर, बेहतर कौन सा रहेगा?
बेहतर है कि तुम डेटा एनालिस्ट पे जाओ, वो जूनियर लेवल का होता है।
It's both. You study both and tell us in the last class which is better. I
சார்
think
இப்போ
that will...
பைத்தான்ல லைப்ரரிஸ்லாம் இருக்குல்ல,
What?
அந்த லைப்ரரியில இப்போ வீக் 3 வீக் 4 லேர்ன் பண்றதா?
Python libraries.
NumPy, Pandas.
Yeah, I will teach that. But directly going to NumPy and Panda, it will be very difficult for others, right? So everybody has to.
Can you, sir,
go on the
mute?
same level. I'm again on mute.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
mute students and continue with lecture?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move on. So we were discussing about complex numbers. So somebody was asking. So usually let's say if we have some data types, a is equal to 1. So this is integer data type. So to convert this data type into float.
Primitive data type எதுக்கு சார் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க?
What?
Primitive data type இருக்குல்ல.
Data type.
Data type.
Yeah, I'm talking about data types.
Data type.
Okay, so we will have doubt clearance section later. Okay, so first we will just complete this, then we will move to assignments, then it will be clear. Fine. So let's say, we have initiated our A as integer data type.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Please mute
As per this is the first week.
What?
Sir, sir, as per this is the first week.
This is the first week, yeah.
As per this the first week, we will focus on Python language, and further week we will move on to data science. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, I think. I also have not watched week 2 videos, so that's why it's almost recommended to watch the videos and come to class. All right. So no more questions for
Okay,
at least
sir.
10
Okay,
minutes.
sir.
At least 10 minutes. No more questions. Okay. So we have initiated our variable to be integer a, and to convert that to float, we just need to give this command float a. So now if you check the type of the data or type of the variable a, it will be float variable. But if you have initiated the variable to be complex, then if we initiate float and z, it will give a error. It is not possible to convert float or a complex variable directly into float, because float can store only one value, but complex number has 2 parts, imaginary part and real part. So let's say, so what we can do is, so let's say we can take the real part, so z dot real. So this will now be float variable, and if you print this value, we will get 3. Similarly, we can get the imaginary part also. So to get imaginary part, we can write z dot imag, imaginary parts, short form. But there is one thing that we can do. So if you remember the complex number, we can calculate the magnitude of the complex number by root of 3 square plus 2 square. To get this value, we can write, so let's say value is equal to absolute of z. So this can be done.
Your screen is no visible, sir. Please have a look on that.
I'm actually able to see.
It's visible. It's visible. No problem with
it's
the screen.
visible, sir. Visible.
Yeah.
It's visible.
Yeah. I'm
It's
monitoring.
visible, sir. It's visible, right?
Actually, I'm monitoring my screen on a second screen, so I know if it is not visible. So don't worry, I will.
Sir, now it's not. Now it's visible.
Yeah, fine. Okay. So let's move on. So some examples of data types: integer, float, string, boolean. All right. So how to see the type of the data? So we just need to
The
type
string is always in inverted commas.
what?
The string is always in inverted commas.
Yeah, string is always in inverted commas. It's visible, right? It's in inverted commas. Okay, then to see what is the type of the data, we can use this type command. We just have to type and give whatever variable we have. So it's a way to check the type of the data. So now we can convert one data type to another. So it's very useful when handling user inputs. So we have already seen. So sometimes, let's say we have data. So we have number data, but when we read those data, they can be stored as string variables. So like so let's say we have read a number from a file, then if we print the number, we will get so let's say if we print this number, we will get maybe 123. 123 is what is stored in number. But if we look at the type of the number, then it can be string type. So if we try to do some arithmetic operations like so let's say we have another a is equal to 23. So this is of type integer. So if you try to do 123, or sorry, number minus a, this will give an error because we are trying to do arithmetic operation between a string and an integer. So what we can do in this case is we can convert the string variable into integer by int num. So num is the our variable name. Then we use the int and brackets to convert the data type to another. So now if we do the arithmetic operation and if we print the data, we'll get 100. So this is one way to convert data types to another form. So yeah, I have already. So this is the example. So we can convert our age. So if we have written it as, even if we give the input as a string, we can convert that into integer data type. And so some of the mistakes that can happen while using the variables or initiating variables is like so there can be spaces in the variable name. So let's say we want to two variables we want to introduce. So let's say first name and last name. So if you write a first space name is equal to something, so let's say John, then last name equal to Peter. So this is going to throw an error because there should not be any space between the first and the second words. So we can use an underscore between these words to make it a valid variable name. All right, and then the next thing is confusing equal to and double equal to. So if you want to assign a variable any values or something, we have to always use single equal to sign. So double equal to in Python has a different function. So double equal to is used to check if something is equal to another thing. So let's say we have two variables, a is equal to b. So sorry, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. So if we print a equal to b, it will give true. Similarly, if we print A equal to C, it will give false. So it's actually doing a Boolean operation. If double equal to is used, it's kind of using.
For example, swap 2 number कर लीजिए ना.
What?
2 number.
2 number?
swap 2 number होता है ना सर, जो temp लेते हैं A equal to B, फिर temp to B मान लेते हैं. जावा में होता है ना वैसा.
We can do that. So let's say we have A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and can C can be equal to A. This can be done. This is what you're asking, or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this can be done. But if you use C double equal to A, this is not equal to C equal to A. That's what I'm trying to say. So equal to is an assigning operation. Double equal to is kind of checking if one number is equal to other number.
Equal to,
right?
sir.
It's kind of like a what I can say, comparing comparison. So we have less than, greater than, all this comes under the same category. All right. So one is assignment, one is comparison. So if you have set up your Spider environment, or if you have any IDEs, you can try this, or else shall we move to the assignment questions? So you can try these things. So you can create a variable, then variable for your name, and check their data types, or else we will move to assignment questions, or what should we do? Okay, so we'll go to the assignment questions. Mostly you might have done these assignment problems, so we'll just see how you can answer. So somebody can unmute and answer.
Sorry, we didn't get you, sir.
What? So this is a this is screen not visible. Sorry.
Is it visible?
Okay. Yeah. Fine. I think the slide didn't move.
Visible, sir. It is visible.
Okay. So this
Visible.
is the first question. So which one of the following variable names are invalid in Python?
Option 1, sir.
First one, sir. Option 1.
First one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option A, sir.
include option 1 and option 4. Last one भी
Option four
option वाला भी होगा सर.
Option 4 not
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
First and 4.
अगर स्टार लगा तो उसका कमेंट ना हो जाएगा.
One and last.
First and last.
This is option 4.
Option C, then
Second
answer
last,
the
sir.
first.
Option
A and
1.
B.
Option
Option 1 option 4.
Two options, sir.
Okay. So
There is option 4 allowed.
Sir, option 1 and 4 both.
Option A, sir.
okay. First,
Both special characters are not allowed.
which is not allowed?
Special characters.
Special characters are not.
Yes, sir. 1 and 4 both are not allowed.
Okay, fine.
Only we can use underscore in a variable name, sir.
Yes, correct. So next question.
The double equal to वाला.
And operator.
And
And operator. And operator.
And
And
operator, sir.
And
It is a
operator.
logical and operator.
Okay, fine. So yeah, next question.
One.
Repeat again.
One.
Question.
One, sir.
Option
One,
one.
sir.
So you guys have already done these questions or what?
One होगा sir,
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We have completed it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
okay. So, all right. So let's try to write this. It will be 10 raised to 5. Then what does this symbol do?
Reminder, sir.
The reminder.
Reminder.
Reminder, sir.
Yeah,
It was a
reminder.
reminder.
Modulus होता है sir, modulus चाहिए.
Yes, sir, it
It
is a
was a
modulus.
reminder.
Modulus or reminder? Which one?
Sir, it's
Reminder.
modulus. It's the reminder.
The name of it is
It's
modulus
represent
and it
reminder
gives
value.
Reminder, sir.
Okay.
its name was modulus.
The reminder.
Okay, reminder. So what is 10 raised to 5 by 3? Even I don't know. I will have to calculate it. Okay, it's 1, right? Answer is 1.
Yes, sir. Reminder,
Yes,
we
sir.
will get 1.
Yeah, fine. What about this?
Code will throw
Code
an
will
error,
throw an
sir.
error.
Code will throw error, sir.
Because
Why?
it is not converted
Error, sir.
to a float, sir.
Float error, float होगा.
Code will throw an error, sir.
Throw an error.
Okay, fine. So while
Code will
doing
throw
this
an
assignment,
error.
Say hada, sir.
what? So while doing this assignment, did you use the spider or any IDEs, or just how did you get to know the answer?
In before
Sir, what
classes,
is snippet?
we just in before we just
Jupyter.
Okay, you have used Jupyter Notebook to do this.
Sir, what is snippet? Sir, I have a question.
हाँ,
What is
कन्वर्ट हो
snippet?
चुका है सर, फ्लोट तो अदर नमस्ते तो फ्लोट कर दिया है सर, नमस्ते हो गया है, वो फ्लोट में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है सर, तो वो फ्लोट आंसर होगा.
Okay.
before classes they explain about this, sir.
Okay, I will
Last
do
one.
one thing. We will try it. Okay. So let me just 1 minute. I'll just wait for 1 minute.
Yes.
Sir, it is an error, sir.
1 minute. Just a minute. So this is our
Answers இது பண்ணு, right? Type பண்ணு.
சரி பண்ணு அது குடு போன் என்ன பண்ற மேல கொடுக்குற குடு
so let's
स्पाइडर की जगह VS कोड यूज नहीं कर सकते.
So the output is 2, I think.
VS Code use करना है आपको.
அம்மா இத போட்டு தரமா இடுமா
Anything is fine.
இதுல நான் ஆன்சர் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்குமா என்னமா இவன நம்ம இப்ப கேக்குற இருமா ஏ போர் அடிக்குதுடா திடீர்னு
In the course it was mentioned
இருமா
spam. So
ஏன்
that's why
போன்ல பார்த்தேன்னா அததான் போயிடுச்சுல குடு இருமா
What, sir?
no, in the code they
டிவி வேணா போட்டுக்கமா நான் ரூம்ல போய்க்கிறேன்
please unmute mute. Okay. So who was asking who is making noise? Okay. All right. So
Sir, I have one question, sir.
yes, tell me.
What is snippet, sir?
Snippet, code snippet.
Yes. What is this? Code snippet.
So let's say, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So this is a code snippet. So whatever the small portion of code we have, that is a code snippet, I think. All right. So let me see if my VS Code is working fine. All right. So
Sir, can we use Google Colab for this? Can we use Google Colab?
Which app?
Google Colab.
You can use Google Colab also. Anything is fine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So let's try to answer this. A is equal to B, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. And then what we need is square B by 3. Oh yeah, the answer is 1 for this question. And now moving on to the next. So this is the next question. So what we have is greetings. So let's see if it will throw an error. I don't know if the greetings have space in between. So let's write it without the space. Namaste. Then we have greetings 1.
Sir, it will show you a value error.
It's throwing error.
So your voice is not audible.
Is it audible now?
It's
Sir.
audible. It's
Hello?
audible here.
Okay.
Sir, audible.
So yeah. So here is the solution for the problem that we were
सर
discussing.
सिर्फ वैल्यू को कन्वर्ट कर सकता है लगता है ना
हाँ
सिर्फ वैल्यू को कन्वर्ट कर सकता है फ्लोट में इनटू सिर्फ फ्लोट में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है
हाँ सही है. So let's say we'll convert this to 26 and try it. So now it is okay. So if it is any string, then it will throw an error. All right. So next question. So we have two variables, j is equal to 6 and g is equal to
option B, sir.
option
B.
Option B.
Because we
Float,
got
float.
2 floats, sir.
Okay. So should we try do it? So let's try to do that. So we have j is equal to 6. Then g is equal to 3.3. Then let's say we want to print type j by g, print type j divided by g. Yeah, both are float. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next
Yes, sir.
question. Yeah, fine. So you might have also.
What is the double slash?
That is the
Division, floor division.
So let's try to print the results also here. So
It is a float division, sir.
what?
Double slash.
Yeah, we'll see.
सर डबल स्लैश का मतलब क्या होता है सर
So double slash का मतलब होता है. So if you are dividing something, so it came to be 1 by 5. Then if you do double slash, the answer will be 1. it will come to the floor. So how can I show it? So whatever number, if you divide something and the number is between 1 and 2 or A and B, it will come to the lower integer number. So you can see here.
Then
So when
also
we
we are
use,
taking it as float, right, sir? Why?
yeah, it will be float. Like since one of the division operation is all like always I think float. So let's say these two are integer. So let's try to type of J, type of G. So both are integers. So now let's see why after division, oh, it remained integer. So normal division
Yes, sir,
is,
that's my question.
I don't know why it is like that. So I will try to answer that next class.
Okay, sir.
We won't go to these kind of details, right? Sorry, I couldn't answer that. I'll try to
Okay,
answer
sir.
that next class, or you can ask ChatGPT
Okay,
also for the time being. All right, so yeah,
okay.
so try to answer this question. So if somebody wants to try, or you can use a pen, pencil, or you can use any.
So that screen is not clearly visible, that questions.
Is it okay now?
Visible, sir. It is visible.
மறைந்துள்ள டேய் கணேசா என்ன பண்ற திரும்ப இதெல்லாம் யார் விட்டு எடுத்து உள்ள வை
Answer is 22.
Please unmute here.
இத மூடு
Kindly mute.
Who is that? I
உங்களோட
cannot
நீங்க
see.
திரும்ப எடுத்து இது பண்ணணும் அப்புறம் காணோம்னு சொல்றது எடு இதுல வந்து ஆல்ரெடி எழுதிட்டியா
Option
மறைஞ்சிருக்கிற எழுத்தெல்லாம் வந்து சரியா இஞ்சி இஞ்சி
Okay. Okay.
answer
Options.
is
Answer.
C.
22, sir.
Answer
22.
C, sir.
22.
By
Okay.
basing on precedence, sir.
What?
By basing on precedence, sir. We are using their.
Okay, fine. So let's see what it comes. 3 into 4 divided by C is again 4 percentage 3 minus 5. Yeah, it's 22. Yeah, option C is correct. So moving on, we have the next question.
True, sir.
I know you have done the question, but so can you just explain? A is equal
True, sir.
So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. So C
It is
equal
true,
to.
sir. All option is
Sir, it
conveys
is
the
true.
answer. Either one condition is true.
True the
This
answer.
is not your
Error.
personal plan.
Error, sir.
Because
Error.
A is true and
Error,
B
sir.
is true.
Okay.
So we get true, and or second condition is false. So true or false, one or stands for if one is true, we can put it as true, sir.
Yes, that is the correct explanation. Okay, so how can we make this one false? How can we
By
print
giving
that?
answer.
By adding and
In
between
our
B
place, we
and
give
A.
and.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Third
So-
condition and.
Okay, let's see if that option works. So A equal to 3 and B equal to 5. So we have to give and A not
Yes,
equal to 3. So now if we print,
False.
yeah, fine. Okay.
सर लास्ट
So-
में एंड नहीं है और है और
or hey, but I asked someone how to make the answer false. So that's why they said they will give and in place of or. So that's what we are trying.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So actual question is so. All right. So then next one. All right. That's all the questions. Okay, we have one more question.
Yes, sir.
So A equal to 5, B is equal to 3. What is the result of following operation?
Answer is 1, sir.
1, sir.
Okay.
Fourth option,
So,
1.
One, sir. And operator.
so what is the number that we will get in terms of binary?
0,
1.
1.
1 होगा सर, true है.
0, 0, 1, sir. In binary form.
Okay. So, so what if so let's 0 1 1 0. So what will be 6? If A is equal to 6, what will be the answer? If A is equal to 6, then B is equal to 3.
But then it will be 2. 0, 1, 1.
Sir.
A equal to 5, sir.
2. If we take A equals to 6, then answer
A
will
equals,
be 2.
then the answer is 3. 0, 1, 1.
0 1.
1.
Okay, let's
A
see.
is equal to 5.
A is equal to 5. Yeah, I know that, but
A
I am
equal to
asking.
5.
A is equal to 5.
Okay, A is equal to 5.
A equal to 5, sir.
Yeah, the answer is 2. What is this?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
there is and operator.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You use modulus.
Yeah, fine. Thank you for pointing it out. So now my question is, if I change
So option A,
to 6,
Option, sir, it's 2.
it will be 2. So what is
Answer
the
is in binary form 0, 1, 1.
0,
what
1,
the-
1.
Okay.
If
All right. So
A equals to 6, then the answer is 3, sir. In the binary form 0, 1, 1.
binary form.
0, 1, 1.
Okay, so that is 3, right? 2. So what is the sixth binary? 0
1,
1
1, 1, sir.
Correct.
Sir, A equal to
No,
5.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are correct. 110.
Yeah.
A equal to 5, 1, 1, 1 not 1.
0,
B
1, 1.
0
0
1
double
1.
1. As
Now what will be the final output? 0 1 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 2. So now I am giving this as 8. So what will be the output now? So what is the binary of 8?
1000.
1 0 0.
0 1
1,
time
1, 0.
Sir,
Okay.
one more 0.
0, 0, 0.
Oh, sorry. One more 0.
1, 0, 0.
What will be the answer?
It will be 0, 0,
Sir,
0,
it's
0.
2. It's again 2.
But it should not be 2, right? Zero.
0, sir.
Should be 0.
0, sir.
So how is the calculation when I am not much expert in this thing? So let's see what is the binary. Binary.
மேலே ஹேஷ்டாக் கொடுத்து பைனரி கொடுத்துருங்க சார்.
Yeah, 1 minute. Will this give the binary? Let's say print a B000. And what's the binary of 3? It's correct, right? Oh,
Sir, can you explain me the
101.
10th question, sir, how it works?
what? This one. So 10th question is like.
Yes, sir, 10th question.
So we have the binary 101. Then we have 011. So these are the two binaries. And we have the AND operator here. So, so it should be 10, it should be 0. Then 0, 1 also 0. Then 1 should be 1. So the answer will be 1.
Okay, sir, okay. I understood, sir.
But I'm not able to understand why this one gave 0.
So please, can you repeat?
Which one?
10th question, sir.
So this is the AND operation.
Sir, in AND operation, we will multiply both the numbers, no?
So how do we multiply? So let's.
Sir, 0 is the correct answer, sir. Right only.
Yeah, it's correct, right? When
Yes,
multiplying, we are
sir.
getting all zeros.
Because 0, 1 will
Yes,
be
sir.
added as
Would be the
0.
correct answer.
Okay, fine.
Only if both are 1, we will get 1, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for this 10th question, 0 is the answer, sir.
No, 10th question answer is 1.
Yes, sir. Sir, how, sir?
So this is the final output of the AND operator.
Multiplication.
So this is 5. So 5 in binary is, what is it? Bin 5.
101.
So what is bin 5? 101. Now binary of 3. Binary of 3 is 011.
001.
0.
011, sir.
So this is binary of 5. So this
1
is
into 1, 0.
This is binary of 3.
0.
So now we will.
0, sir.
So this 1 will give 1. 0 1 will give 0. 1 0 will give 0. So we'll get 0. So this is the binary. After the binary operation, we will get 0 0 1. If we convert that, we will get 1.
Okay, sir, it's
Now I
understood.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Okay.
Sir,
So
how to convert, sir?
Convert what?
How to convert binary to integer number?
Okay. So let's say we have a binary number. So I don't know if we have any inbuilt function for that, or else we'll have to create a function.
Sir, you can just show them the table, decimal, integer, binary.
No, like, but still there should be some. Just a minute. Let me see if there is any function to convert directly, or else we will write a function. So what it says is, so let's say we have a number binary. What is our number? 001. Then let's see, number is equal to int binary comma 2 print binary. Sorry, print number. I think it should be the same thing. Oh, maybe we need to give it is in string format. Okay.
String quotation குள்ள இருக்கிற அது மட்டும் தானே சார் print ஆகும்.
What? So we have to give our binary number inside the string. So let's say 011. Then we can use this integer binary. Then binary the base is 2. So it will give the integer number.
Okay sir, okay sir.
So in our usual number base is 10, right? So it will give the same 11. Now if we convert the base to 2, it will give the binary to integer conversion. All right. So if you have any other doubt,
can you explain why the 2 is, what for the 2 is binary comma 2?
So this is the base of the number. So how can we show that? So what it does is, so this is 1, right? So we'll have 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, then plus 0 into 2 raised to 2. So what we'll get? Answer is 3. So let's say we have 1 here. So 1 1 1. So what is 1 1 1? 1 1 1. So let's see the answer. It's 7, right? So if you give here 1, so it will give 7. So now you understood why 2 we need. So our usual number is having 10, right? So 10 is 111. So how to get this from that? So let's say, I don't know if this will work. 10. Okay. So changing the base. So for the binary number, the base is 2. And for our normal number, the base is 10. So that's why we need to give, if you need to convert to binary to integer, we need to give the base 2.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, as you change the base number from 2 to 10 and 10 represents the decimal number, no?
What decimal number?
Like 2 is the base number for binary and 10 represents the decimal number, no?
10 represents the actual number, right? Actual base
Yes,
of
but
the
10 is
decimal
the
number.
base decimal, like 10 is the base of the decimal
So
number.
he is talking about decimal number system.
Okay, fine.
So if we have to change the binary into decimal or else it is the correct syntax, like.
I'm not very sure about the decimal form of binary. So
Okay,
let's
sir,
see.
no problem.
But we put double asterisk for the between two numbers. What is the difference between single asterisk and double asterisk? What type of operations that perform?
It's all same. Even single also will work.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Both will work. But I think that there will be some.
She was talking about asterisk, like multiplication and exponentiation.
This one. Are you talking about this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is like, this is
Yes, sir. Yes,
multiplication.
sir.
This is multiplication. Single is multiplication, double is square or power. 10 raised to 2. So this is 10 raised to 2.
Okay, okay, sir.
I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Multiply 5 into 3, that comes 15. So why we get 1?
5 into
3. That's binary number with AND operation. It
Okay.
means the multiplication. And we answer 1. Why we can get 15?
It's not multiplication. This is AND operation, right?
Yeah, AND
So-
operation is
Operation.
multiplication.
Sir, if both
No,
the
no.
inputs in AND operator is same, then we get the same output.
Yeah. So
Both
let's say we
and
have,
equation is arithmetic multiplication that will be applicable on binary numbers. The binary, like 1 into 1 will be 1 and 1 into 0 will be 0.
Yeah.
It won't be like multiplying the decimal numbers, it will be multiplying the binary numbers.
Yes, and 0 multiply with 1 will be 0.
yes,
Zero.
exactly. All right. Thank you for clearing the doubts in between.
Sir, please repeat the fifth question.
Fifth,
Yes, sir.
this one, floor operation. This question.
Yes, sir. I can't understand this question. Please explain.
Sir, it's actually in float, right?
So we have J is equal to 6 and G is equal to 3.3. So we have two different operations. One is normal division. So normal division is nothing but J divided by G. So this is the normal division. Oops. Why is it coming like this? Okay. So it's J divided by G. So that is a normal division. Now we are asked what will be the data type for floor division. So how to know the type? We just need to do the type operation. So type is float. Now what is floor division is nothing but double slash G. So what it will give is the lowest nearest integer. So in this case, it the J by G gave the answer as 1.8, and the lowest or the nearest lowest integer to this number is 1. So that is what is given by the floor division. And if we check the type, again it is float. So the question can be confusing in the sense like floor division usually ends up with an integer output. So right, so the output is an integer, but still the data type of the value obtained from the operation is still float.
Instead of 3.3, can you give 3?
अप्रोच लेना होता है.
क्या बोला?
डबल स्लैश का मतलब अप्रोच लेना होता है 1.
Approx नहीं, lowest nearest integer. So if you are taking approx, then this should be equal to 2, right? All right, so yeah, now we are going to give 3. Then it is an integer type. So both the values are integer, but still this one will be float. Normal division will always end up as float, but floor division ends up as integer in case of both the numbers are integers.
It should be 2, right? Why it is showing 1.818?
I didn't do it. I didn't execute that block.
Okay.
All right. So If you have no more doubts, we will end this section
Sir,
now. Yeah.
Sir, can you look at question 8? Because we cannot name a variable with asterisk, and in question number 8, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, and A asterisk equal to B into 5. It is there. Can you look at that?
So that is like A is equal to A into B into 2. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, A into equal to B into 2. Then we have to print A. It's possible, right? You might have put a space here, so that is wrong. Actually, this equal to is with the asterisk is with the equal to sign. So what it does is, so this is equivalent to writing A is equal to A into B into 2. So these two are equal. This one and this one are equal to each other. So if you do this, so this will be again 40 into 5 into 2. How much it will be? 40. So if you print, oh sorry, I'll execute again. So first A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. So first is 4 into 5 into 2. So 4 into 5 into 2 is 40. 4 into 5 into 2, 40. So that is A. Now A is 40. So 40 into 5 into 2. 40 into 10. That is 400.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any more?
Sir, evening, sir. Actually, I have a doubt that after completing this 4-week course, so how far we be going in Python? Like, will you just explain that how far we'll be doing Python coding like that once we finish this course? So I had no idea in Python. That's why I'm asking.
So you cannot go to that kind of advanced levels with this course. So it's just a 4-week course. Like you can just get a very basic knowledge of Python. You won't be writing like a big code or something. So you can get start with Python. So one thing is, if you start Python coding and if you try understand the basics, then you can watch YouTube videos to learn more about Python. So that will be good. Or if you know any other language other than Python, then this course will be will be very easy for you. If you know any
Yeah,
other
sir.
course.
I don't know. I don't know basic C language, sir. I don't know. So that's why I can get it. But I just want to know how far it may be going like that. Okay, sir. Fine.
How far in the sense, like you will not be like coding like any expert IT guys or someone. So you can get a touch on the Python, and I don't think you will get much hands-on training and so for that you might have to uh, learn on yourself. I hope.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So may I know how far? I mean, like if you need to master it, like going on coding foreign works. So what we have to do after this thing, sir? After this
So
course, just
one thing to do is one thing you can do is like you can um, start with some project that you want to build yourself and work on that. Otherwise there are like platforms like lead codes or hacker rank or something. So they will give like very specific interview kind of codes where which are asked in interviews, like coding sections in interviews. And if you want to really showcase your Python talent, then you will have to build some projects, then show it in your GitHub profile. All those can be done.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's what's the thing. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir,
there
could you
was
explain the
first.
sixth question, please?
Yeah, please. Somebody go on. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I want to know regarding exam. Exam will be on 28th March.
Okay.
It will be online or offline?
It will be online because people from different parts are there, right? I don't think it will be offline. It will also have
It will
a
be
similar. I think it means.
it will be at the fixed time, or it can I'll be able to
I don't
any
know.
time.
I don't know about that. Actually, I'm not.
Sir, we have to go to the center and we have to go there and give the online exam.
Sir, it's offline.
It's offline. Okay.
Yes, we have to go to centers.
Okay, centers will be in all states, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Thank you.
it's like the same like we giving the JEE exam and like that competitive exam, sir. We should go, but it be on online like desktop. We have to do it, but we should go in offline by a road transport like that.
Actually,
Okay,
the
thank
thing
you
is,
for your help.
I'm not directly involved with the course, all those administrative sections. I'm also away from where this professor is teaching, so I don't know about all these administrative steps. Sorry.
Sir, if I am not available at 28th March, then it will be happen another day or not?
I don't know. Like you will have to mail this NPTEL or SWAYAM team. You will have to ask them.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Sir, on
there.
28, any timing, sir? Do you know any timing for the exam?
I don't know anything about the exams and stuff.
Sir, we will got the email
All these
later
things
on.
you should write mail to NPTEL team here.
Yeah.
Sir, there was the session number 1 held on 24th of January. I was not able to attend that session. So, sir, the topic that you have covered today was actually explained on that day, or was it a different topic?
This is my first section. On 24th, I think the other TA had taken
Yeah, same questions was discussed.
Okay. So
okay,
it's like whoever were not able to join that section can join this section. Because both of us will be discussing that particular week's topics.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Sir, can we
Sir,
get
how
the
we
notes of
can
that
find the
lecture?
previous section?
Sir,
which one?
So how we can find the previous section?
Lectures?
First?
Only one speaks, please. Anyone go on?
Can
Sir, how
we
we can
get
find that
the
previous
lecture
lecture?
notes?
सर यू हैव यूट्यूब चैनल है आपके पास यूट्यूब चैनल
YouTube channel. Yeah, I will upload the videos and I will share it. Right now, I haven't.
Sir, where we will get this assignment question, sir?
It's in the SWAYAM portal, right? Already somebody has already done the question.
Sir, I found YouTube channel name Azhar CTP. It's yours?
I think I have 2, but is there any previous NPTEL videos? Then it should be mine.
Yeah, it's available some videos.
Okay, that data science for engineers, I think.
Data science.
Okay, I'll upload the latest videos and I will share it. Okay, I will.
Okay.
So where we can find it previous section videos?
Previous section, for this course, I have not uploaded any videos. All right, so I'll be uploading here videos. All right.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the last semester's NPTEL course. So this semester, this course I will upload in maybe by Thursday or sometime. All right.
So both we are pursuing, and that was both same.
Which course?
that uploaded, and we are now to pursuing that.
I didn't understand.
So he is asking that the course we are doing now is the videos are related to that.
These videos are not related to that. These are not those videos. These are previous semester's NPTEL course videos. So this video, now I have to stop recording and I have to upload, right? Not now. All right. I will
Thank you,
upload
sir.
by Wednesday, not Wednesday, Thursday I will upload. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Sir, every day we have classes from 6 to 8, sir.
No, only on Tuesdays.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, second
Yes.
assignment sort of last date ending, sir. Second week.
Second week?
Last dating, sir. Assessment submit.
I don't know. You have to
Sir,
see
it's
the website.
4th of Feb. Sir, it's 4th of Feb.
4th of February.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, today there is no assignment, right?
What?
Today there is no assignment.
I don't. Assignments and all everything you will get on the website.
Sir, after registration, they will got an email
Okay. So
where
you
they have to do their
okay.
assignment.
You
Sir,
can do that.
questions are there Python or how?
So if no more questions, I will end the meeting today. We'll see you next week. Thank you for joining.
Thank you all.
Sir,
Yeah.
Thank you,
certificates.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Certificate.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Certificate.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Sir, are you
Yeah.
there?
Yeah. Please.
Sir, I was just want to know that when I complete this Python, I need to know what's
Thank you, sir.
like it's a bill. I need to know that what core. I need to know the coding language for my core subjects, sir. Once I done with Python, can we use it in core
Thank you, sir.
subjects? Like I am a triple E student, so I
Okay.
need to know which coding language be better for it.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
I'm not talking. So
Thank you,
what
sir.
for triple E, I don't know. So I'm a mechanical engineer, so I used Python for my like numerical simulations, and also for like a CFD and all we used
Sir,
Python.
like I have a doubt that it's a peculiar program you have to use for a particular course, or like if you have said you use Python, so it will be eligible for any core subjects. Like we can use that universal Python for
Yeah,
anything.
Python is same. It's just the applications differ.
Oh,
Whatever we teach here, it can be used anywhere.
okay, sir. So there will be difference, but in coding part only, right? Like if it do with
Like
Java or
the
Python.
coding syntax and everything will be same, but the application differs, right? Like if it is mechanical, it will have some other applications, and if it is a
Okay,
triple E, I don't know like what applications you have.
okay, sir.
So
Sir, I had a doubt. It's regarding
yeah.
the assignment.
Mm-hmm.
So when will we get to know about the marks we have secured in each assignment? Is it after the course or after each submission we will get to know about the marks?
The marks will be provided by the faculty member who was teaching you in your college.
I'm not asking about the questions. I'm sorry, exam. I'm asking about each assignment. Like this week's assignment I
Yeah,
have
the
submitted.
marks. Yeah, your faculty member who is teaching you that specific subject will provide you after some time
सर
what
DSA
marks you
पाइथन में कर
secured in
सकते
each
हैं सर
assignment.
Yeah.
पाइथन में DSA हो सकता है
किसमें DSA?
सर बोल रहे पाइथन में DSA हो सकता है
Yeah, DSA is there in Python, but I don't know if DSA will be taught in this subject.
सर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम होता है ना, जो जावा में होता है, बबल फोर्ट, इंस्ट्रक्शन फोर्ट, वो वाला लिंक्ड लिस्ट।
हाँ वो सब है, लिस्ट है, स्ट्रिंग है, लिस्ट है,
डीएसए
टपल है।
कौन सी लैंग्वेज के लिए बेस्ट होगा सर?
कौन सा?
डीएसए कौन सी लैंग्वेज से करे वो बेस्ट रहेगा?
It's basically, if you want to do pure DSA, you will have to go low level languages. But doing DSA in Python is also fine.
Sir, can you name some low-level language, sir? What you wish to say for DSA?
C++.
Okay.
But learn Python DSA, it's fine. It will also
Okay,
be
So
helpful.
जावा से, जो जावा
I
से करे
don't,
से तो
I have no experience in Java, so very sorry. I cannot comment on that. All right, so see you
Sir,
guys.
Django. Can we learn Django?
I don't know. I use Python daily, so any other language, if you ask me, I'm not an expert or anything. Even C++ I have used a long back. Nowadays I'm using only Python.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right,
Thank you.
so
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
ending the meeting, and thank you all for joining.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.